Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an updated glamification routine. I feel like there's been so many changes that I've made to my makeup routine since the last time that I filmed a video in regards to makeup. I feel like it's been, God, has it been like 8 months since I posted a makeup video? Or a makeup like tutorial? I don't know. It's been a really long time though, so I just wanted to get this one up to show you some of the new techniques that I picked up and just, you know, what I do nowadays to my face. So yeah, this is, do you see that highlighter? Oh my god. Anyway, sorry, I got distracted. This is kind of my go-to glam routine if I'm going out with girlfriends or going to the club, because I go to the club so often, and that is complete sarcasm. Because you guys don't really know my life. I don't go out that often. I like to stay in with my cat and my dog and my husband whenever I can get him home. But yeah, if I were to go to the club, this is what I would probably wear on my face. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. It has been such a long time since I've updated my like glam routine. I don't think I've actually posted a makeup tutorial. Has it been like almost, not a year, but like almost a year. So I'm just putting some concealer on my eyes, on my lids, just to kind of give us a sticky base to work with and just conceal any like veins or anything like that. My god, am I like really this pale, or is it just the lighting? Anyways, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Sultry palette. And I always start off with a kind of a cream color right here. So just a nice matte cream. I'm gonna use Fresh. And I like to just pop that right where my crease color is gonna go. So that way it blends nice and evenly. Now I'm gonna go in with Twig right here, which is kind of like a taupey light brown shade. You know what? It has been a little minute since I've taped my eyes. It's like my favorite thing to do, so that's what I'm gonna do today. We'll go for a full-on glam. So I'm just gonna pop this tape right about here. Going back in with Twig, let's go ahead and just buff this right into the crease here. I'm also gonna pull it into my outer V right here as well. Going in with more of a tapered blending brush. This one's by Zoeva. This is a 224 brush. Just a little bit more, still like a blending brush, but a little bit more tapered. I'm gonna go in with Dystopian right here, which is a nice dark brown shade. I am going to just apply that right in the crease right here, just to kind of give myself a little bit more depth. Not so it completely covers this transition shade, but just enough so that it darkens it up a little bit better. And I'm just gonna go through and soften those lines with a clean blending brush. I think I'm gonna go in with Rose Quartz right here. I've been really into just like warm tone, rosy, like lid shades. And I think I'm gonna mix it with Pearl as well, which is a little bit lighter. And just pop it in this area that we've left blank. I need a little more glitter. I think I'm going to go with the Stila Smoldering Satin. I thought it said Satan. I was like, Smoldering Satan? That's not a good name for an eyeshadow. Smoldering Satin by Stila is what we're going to go in with. And I'm just going to gently run this along the center of my lid. This is actually the shade that I wore on my wedding day. And I think towards wedding season, I'll create like a wedding tutorial on like what makeup I did. So more towards like June, I'll probably start doing more like bridal tutorials and stuff like that. I am looking for recommendations on felt tip liners. I've just been getting a lot of like black, you know, like where your tear duct turns black because your eyes are watering. A lot lately with like all of my felt tip liners, and that's never happened before. So what do you guys like? What's your favorite felt tip liner? By the way, this one is Master Precise by Maybelline. You know, it's like an old-time favorite of mine. I still do use it. Just gonna take a little lotion and clean up underneath my eyes, get all that little like glitter crap off. So my favorite mascara has been the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I've been using this for just about a year now and I'm obsessed with it. Alright, so we're gonna come back to the lashes and lower lash line and just kind of vamp things up, but for right now I'm gonna move on to my skin. I'm looking a little pasty. You know what, I never used to care about being pale, but since I've gotten my spray tan from my wedding, I just feel like I need it. So I actually purchased a spray tan machine, like a legit spray tan machine, a professional one. So I'm gonna train myself in that and spray tan the crap out of myself. I'll always be tan from now on. It's going okay so far, but I obviously haven't done it in a while. So right now I'm using the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. I love the packaging. For today's foundation, I'm gonna mix two different foundations together. This is actually the Charlotte Lacroix CC cream, so it doesn't have a lot of coverage, but it has the darkness that I'm looking for. And then I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Lacquer foundation because I'm honestly just trying to get rid of it. Like, I've had it for so long, I feel like it's gonna expire soon, so I should probably use it. So I'm gonna use that for the coverage of our foundation today, but it is way too light for my skin tone. I just honestly mix it on my brush. People usually mix it on their hands. That's the professional way to do it, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna do little like dots all over my face and then go through and blend. Oh no! Ooh, what the fuck? Alright, so let's conceal a little bit. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. Mine's in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm just going to pop this underneath my eyes. One thing that I learned from watching Harush's new YouTube channel is to let your concealer kind of tack up a little bit before you blend it out. And it just gives you more coverage and it really doesn't like make the concealer move around. It just blends it in rather than moving it around your face, so you get more of a full coverage with your concealer that way. So I'm gonna let this just tack up for like 2 minutes. You can do it longer than that, but the sun is going down and I need this light, okay? To set underneath my eyes, I'm just gonna use the Juno & Co. Translucent Powder. For some extra... Where's my husband going? I see him driving away. For some extra coverage, I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix. You guys know I'm obsessed with this. I use this like every single day, usually as just foundation, but for a full glam look, I put it on just for extra coverage. Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. We're gonna go with this medium shade right here. Can you tell this is my favorite shade? For blush, I'm just gonna go in with the good old Heavenly Powder Blush by Sigma. I'm honestly not too picky about my blush. As long as it's kind of like a rosy, warm tone shade, I'm good. So I have to say, after all of these months, my favorite highlighter is still the highlighter here, which is in the AS Cosmetics Gold Dust palette. Look at how ratchet this has become. Oh, it's just not my day. I just vacuumed. Okay, well, I'm not gonna show you anymore, but it's the one that just fell. That's my favorite shade, so great. I have a full review on these products, so I'll link that below or maybe up here on the screen if you guys wanna see that. But this is my favorite highlighter, like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Mm-hmm. Brows, we're gonna go in with the Stila Sketch and Sculpt Brow Pencil. I actually hauled this in a TJ Maxx haul and I just, oof, I love this. I'm gonna go, I keep my brows a lot lighter than I used to, so I keep them a little bit more natural. I don't want them to be too sculpted. So I really just kind of fill them in and just crisp up the lines. Where'd you go?
Post office.
You didn't get Gibraltar Grill? What'd you give me?
Here, come on, here.
Do I really? Oh my god! Wow!
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank God you got it before my lipstick went on. Thanks, Boo.
Yep.
That is just so nice. God, we're perfect for each other.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna move back up to my eyes really quick. I'm gonna use just my bronzer color to smudge underneath my lower lash line. Keep things natural. Throw some mascara on my lower lashes. Alright, for my lips, I'm going in with ColourPop's Dopey, and yes, I'm still on the ColourPop train. I've tried so many different high-end lipsticks, and I just like these the best. Alright, I'm gonna put some lashes on. These are the AOA Studio Alexis lashes, which means they're only $1. I'm still loving these lashes. And yes, I've changed. Hello, I'm ready. But I'm gonna pop a little gloss in the center of my lips just to kind of add a little glow. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this look right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. Hit that little bell button. That will notify you when I post new videos. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.